Hey everybody, this is Caesar, and welcome to a quick teaser for a project that's coming up for small engine velocity. I don't think I've reached the end of my tuning because I haven't done any internal work on my Honda Ruckus motor yet, but that's coming soon. But there is something that I can't find very much information about on YouTube or Google as far as whether it's good, bad, indifferent, or something that you should or shouldn't do, or even how to tune for something like this. I went ahead and went to Dro Sports, D-R-O-W, and I did this. I ordered a Met Final Gear kit from them, and I have a spare CVT transmission, and I am going to take this and put them together. So I'll have my original CVT and I can swap it in if it all goes bad and I don't like it, or I'll, just in case, right? So if that looks like something that would interest you, well, then do me a favor and go ahead and give me a subscribe. That's something that a lot of people have been asking me about. Have I done it yet? I think once you get to 50 miles per hour, hitting 10,500 RPM consistently, then maybe Met Gears is something that you should try. Final Gear, not a full set, just Met Gears. Some people do full set. The Final Gear is supposed to give you a 30% increase in speed, but I think you have to make sure that you have enough torques to be able to push that gear further. I'm really curious to see how this all turns out. Anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an introduction. This is not part of my regular schedule. This is just something I wanted to add in. I look forward to spending time with everybody, learning about something that I can't find anything about on the internet. Anyways, thank you, and I'll see you next time.